bienvenida a JohnCena y a JamesGunn en la México. Nobody's looking at you. Yes. There's a lot of crickets in the floor. Now it's your turn, John.
They're gonna be doing backflips to get you to John.
Welcome, Peacemaker, or do you prefer Chris?
Bueno, hoy va a ser un día movidón. Tenemos la CCXP y eso involucra que hay un montón de cosas sucediendo al mismo tiempo. Y hoy va a estar muy intenso. Desde la mañana nos paramos muy tempranito para preparar la producción. Estamos ahorita en el ensayo. Peacemaker 2, la segunda temporada, y los voy a entrevistar delante de toda esta gente. Así que acompáñenme. Bienvenidos sean todos ustedes a Peacemaker 2 en la CCXP 2025.
Considered the finest marksman in the world.
The mic is off?
Yeah. I am also proficient in hand-to-hand combat.
How many more of these do we have today?
Is that popcorn still here?
Love popcorn.
Bienvenidos a todos ustedes al panel de Peacemaker 2 en la CCXP México. ¿Cómo están? ¡Qué gusto verlos, muchachos! ¡Qué gusto estar con ustedes! Todos juntos, esta comunidad amando todo lo que nos gusta, las películas, las series. ¿Cómo se la han estado pasando durante el día? ¿Bien? Saludos a los que ya se les borró la raya desde hace algunas horas. Saludos a los que creyeron que iba a ser fácil entrar, pero les tocó hasta atrás. Muchachos, bienvenidos todos sean ustedes. Con este panel vamos a cerrar lo grande que ha sido esta CCXP y ustedes van a ser los primeros en México y en todo el mundo en ver el nuevo contenido alrededor de esta serie. Por eso, para contarnos todo esto, tenemos a dos invitados. ¿Saben quiénes son? James Gunn, co-líder de DC Studios, escritor, director, productor ejecutivo y showrunner de la segunda temporada, y también va a estar en este escenario JohnCena, productor ejecutivo que interpreta al mismísimo Peacemaker. Así que, sin más preámbulo, denle la bienvenida a JohnCena y a JamesGunn en la México.
Getting really big lately, so.
I have a variety of helmets.
This guy sucks.
Excuse me. Am I supposed to be able to hear you guys?
Excuse me?
Is your first time in Mexico?
No, I've been to Mexico 50 times.
50 times. What about you, John?
I love Mexico. It's my favorite place to go.
Yes.
I've been to Mexico City a bunch. I've had a lot of matches here in front of a lot of great audiences. So thank you for having me back.
Can you please remind me what is going on with Peacemaker? Who is this guy? What happened in the first season?
Peacemaker is a man
That's good stuff.
with a best friend who's an eagle.
That's true.
And stuff.
Peacemaker went through a lot of big changes first season. He's, come to grips with his demons that he's been facing, that he's been trying to stuff down his whole life. And the second season is really him trying to deal with the awareness of being that way and having a really hard time with it, and also trying to find love along the way.
Yeah. Peacemaker starts the first season with no family, no friends at all, but now he has a new family, the 11th Street guys.
Yeah.
How does that work, or that change the feelings of this season? Yeah.
Yeah, that's a picture. They all have that up in there. Hardcore has it up in their apartment. Economist has it up at work. They all love that picture of themselves because it was a moment of pure joy where I think they bonded and became a team for the first
Yes.
time.
Are you happy with your new family?
I do. I think Peacemaker would be very happy with that. Yes. Talking about your butt and stuff. And also, you said that I suck.
It is not funny.
We have the difference between, I don't know, Bruce Wayne and Batman, Clark Kent and Superman, but there's Peacemaker and...
You can't just say Superman run on. You gotta say Superman. July 11th in Mexico, across the world.
Yes, yes, but we have Christopher Smith
And then we have Peacemaker.
and Peacemaker. How different are those characters?
At the end of the day, Superman is a great hero. He puts himself on the line. Batman, dark guy, got some demons, but trying to do the right thing.
Yeah.
Batman's got nothing on Peacemaker in terms of the demons. He's really a troubled soul. And this season, I think in some ways it's more about Christopher Smith than it is Peacemaker. I don't know if I think of him as, do you think of Peacemaker as a hero?
He's a hero for me. Peacemaker saved my life. You literally brought Peacemaker back from the dead.
I did.
Yeah, Peacemaker's a hero for me. I can say that.
I 100% plan on killing Peacemaker in the Suicide Squad, but I like working with John so much. I'm like, that's just a pleasure.
I don't get it. We saved the world.
So we have Eagley, the eagle.
Eagley.
That character is very close to you, very close for Peacemaker.
Eagley's Peacemaker's best friend?
Yeah, and he has hugged more than his father.
Yeah.
What does that mean for you, for Peacemaker?
Awesome. Eagley's Peacemaker's best friend. And I think, yeah, that's right. That's right there.
What a hug.
And we get a lot more Eagley in season 2.
You do?
Really?
It's like that.
Yeah. More.
Eagley has an arch enemy. He has his own Lex Luthor in the form of Michael Rooker's Red St. Juan. So he gets an enemy and he gets his own battle scenes and everything. Eagley's an important piece of the Peacemaker season 2.
How weird was to act with a tennis ball or with a puppet instead an eagle?
He's trying to say he's not sure it's real.
What's that?
He's trying to say he's not real.
Yeah, I'm not going to spoil the emotional moments in season 1 and the tremendous moments that are in store for you for season 2. For me, Eagley's real.
Have you ever had an insect in your mouth?
Yeah, I eat crickets all the time and grasshoppers. I like this.
Really?
Yeah, it's good for you.
Not so much.
No?
Not so much for me.
Oof. In many countries, it's a normal thing because here in Mexico, we love crickets. We love chapulines.
Is that true?
Yes. ¿A quién le gustan los chapulines?
Response. Is that true? You guys like crickets?
Yes.
I don't know. That's like a 2 out of 10.
No. Believe me, we love it, and we want to honor the people that die with these insects, with these aliens in this form. We have these containers.
That's how you're going to honor them.
Yes. We have these containers with crickets, with chapulines. Please take yours. And now I want to challenge you. In front of all of these people, in front of all Mexico, we want to challenge you to take crickets. Sida, Sida, Sida. Hey, sin presión, sin presión. No pressure, no pressure, please, no pressure. Nobody's looking at you.
Are you filming this?
Yes. Todos pueden grabar en esto, ¿eh? Now, JohnCena. Don't face. You can't do it! You can't do it! You can't do it! No, come on! Yes! I got an idea. Maybe make the example. And then un aplauso para James Gunn. There's a lot of crickets in the floor. Now it's your turn, John.
So I think James ain't enough crickets for the both of us.
No, come on. The people are with you. Oh, come on! You can do it! 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 More? They want more. ¿Quieren más de uno? ¡Wow! Yes, yes, he did it. Un aplauso para JohnCena y JamesGunn. How was it?
It's in my teeth. I'm trying to get out so bad I didn't wait to do anymore.
What about yours, John?
It's like chips.
Chips? Yeah. Yes.
Very salty. Very salty. You guys eat crickets?
I think we would. I don't think they eat crickets. I think that's a joke on us.
I've had right on behind us.
Who the fuck are you?
Let's talk about everything that we saw. You are like two JohnCena, two peacemakers?
Wait a second. All right, here's the ultimate conundrum. Is that two JohnCenas or two peacemakers? And is two peacemakers indeed two JohnCenas?
Whoa.
I was pretty
If it is two JohnCenas, did we really even see anything? I don't know.
He's doing it to me again. Now I gotta put up with these jokes on Instagram.
You certainly do. What was that? Is that two peacemakers?
Is the multiverse that we are watching again?
We're gonna find out everything in episode 1 of Peacemaker.
Really?
We're gonna find it all out on August 21st.
Yeah, on HBO Max.
On HBO Max.
Or Max? Or I don't know.
Yeah, not Max. Max for idiots. HBO Max.
HBO Max now.
We were all stupid saying that.
Will people recognize Peacemaker as a hero now? Because we watch a scene that I don't know if it's the new Justice League that are interview him.
Yeah.
So are you gonna be like recognized as a hero in this season?
Do they look like they recognize him as a hero?
Not too much, but I don't know. You are exploring the option there.
Oh no, I totally suck at that. I'm just going off what we saw. Like, that sucks. Yeah, I tried to be a hero and they said that sucked.
Yeah,
So there's that.
but you are trying along the season 2.
Right? We're all out there trying, right? Right on. Some days are the dogs, some days are the hunters.
Fergus has been monitoring Peacemaker ever since Rick Flag Sr. was named director.
Does he know that I am?
Killed his son? Yeah.
Now the DC universe is one. It's everything connected. So we watched Rick Flags Sr.
Yeah.
in this teaser that it's very angry with this guy, with Peacemaker. So it's gonna be one of the biggest fights that we're going to watch. Right?
Oh yeah. Frank Grillo comes. I know you know this guy. He comes and he is not the nicest guy in the world. He knows that Peacemaker killed his son, and so that's in his mind from the beginning. He's out to get you. You're in trouble.
Yeah, I regret that choice. Yeah. I'm gonna take that one all the way back to the Suicide Squad. If I could get a do-over, just a do-over, you know, I'd probably think twice about that.
You've changed a lot since then.
Yeah, we all grow every day. We all change. I'm not the same person I was 5 years ago.
You used to like murder indiscriminately, you know, people, and now you murder indiscriminately.
Peacemaker.
Oh, you do though, right?
No, not at all, man.
No, a little bit. I
No,
mean,
not at all.
sometimes when you're bored.
Sometimes when I'm bored, I'm going to murder. That's what I'm hearing.
Yeah.
No, man, that ain't my life, dog.
Are you prepared to kill another Rick Flag in your life?
Oh, that's a great question. I'm definitely not going to answer that. This is what I want to do. No spoilers here for me. You'll have to watch season 2 to find out.
Who's hotter? Who's hotter? Dad or son?
That's true.
Who's hotter? Who's a better fighter?
Who's hotter, did you say?
Rick Flag Sr. or son?
Who's hotter?
They're both beautiful humans.
They're both hot.
They're both beautiful people. Yeah.
Bring me a peacemaker.
Mexicali, you scan for any anomalies throughout that house. Pony Boy, don't let him out of your sight. Titties, I want you to take the front door. Encino Man, you take the back door.
Muchachos, ¿verdad que están listos para este estreno? Para el 21 de agosto en HBO Max. Si es que no le cambian antes el nombre a la plataforma, porque ya saben que se convierte de Max a HBO Max, así que no se lo pierdan. Please, please, say goodbye to your audience. Yes. Is there anything else you want to say to them?
I want to say thank you guys for being here. This is honestly God's truth. The Mexico City fans are some of my favorite fans in the world. I thank you guys all. Thank you for joining me too. And that was good for me. Thank you.
Thank you so much, CC. Peacemaker season 2.
We're gonna take a selfie for everyone. Todos, vamos a hacer una selfie. Let's make a selfie. Yeah. Ahí está. Gracias, John. Thank you very much. Thank you, man. Thank you, man. Un aplauso para estos muchachos. Así es, señoras y señores. Así se cierra la CCXP México. Un gran aplauso para JohnCena. Un gran aplauso para JamesGunn. No se pierdan la segunda temporada de Peacemaker a través de HBO Max. Yo soy JohnCena. Gracias a todos por haber venido a la CCXP México. Nos vemos el año que entra. Gracias.
We haven't always been great people. But we are the 11th Street Kids. No one will ever break us apart.